Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on vector norms. Considering the given set of vectors, that is with respect to V and W, we are going to find L1 norm, L2 norm and L infinity norm with respect to V, W and 2V plus W. How to represent the solution? I am going to teach you step by step. First, let us consider the given set of vectors. Solution. Let us consider the given, that is capital letter V, which is equal to 0, -1, 1, 2, and capital letter W, which is equal to 1, 5, 1, 8. Done. Where V1 represents 0, V2 represent -1, V3 represent 1 and V4 represent 2, and W1 will be 1 and W2 will be equal to 5 and W3 will be equal to 1 and W4 will be equal to 8. Done. Now considering this, we have V, we have W, but we don't have 2V plus W. First, let us find 2V plus W. That is 2V, capital letter V, 2 capital letter V plus W, where 2 into what is V? 0, -1, 1, 2 and plus W 1, 5, 1, 8. 2V plus W, which is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 into -1 -2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. See, multiply, next plus 1, 5, 1, 8. 2V plus W, which is equal to 0, first term plus first term, 0 plus 1, 1, -2 plus 5, you get 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 4 plus 8, 12. This is the value of 2V plus W. This is the value of 2V plus W. Done. Now let us find, see, we have V1, sorry, V, W and 2V plus W. Now we can find L1, L2, L infinity. First let us find L1 norm. First one, let us find L1 norm. Done. To find L1 norm, we are going to consider norm capital letter V1. Norm V1, just we need to add the given set of vectors, that is modulus 0 plus modulus -1 plus modulus 1 plus modulus 2, which is equal to, okay, you can add directly also, 0 plus 1, since modulus negative sign becomes positive, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Done. Norm V1 is completed. Next, similarly, norm W1, which is equal to, what is W? Modulus 1 plus modulus 5 plus modulus 1 plus modulus 8. Okay, see, 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8, you get 15. Next, modulus 2V plus W norm 1, which is equal to modulus 1 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 3 plus modulus 12, which is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 12, you get 19. This is our L1, V1 norm, V2 norm and, sorry, V1 norm, W1 norm and 2V plus W1 norm. Done. Now let us go with the L2 norm. L2 norm. L2 norm is given by the second one. L2 norm, that is norm V, capital letter norm, capital letter V2, which is equal to square root of what is V? That is modulus 0 square plus modulus minus 1 square plus modulus 1 square plus modulus 2 square, which is equal to, use the calculator, represent the solution. That is, okay, see, take the calculator, apply square root, okay, square root of 0 square plus minus 1 become positive, 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. You get root 6. You are getting root 6 value. This is our norm V2, root 6. Next, norm W2, which is equal to square root of modulus 1 square plus modulus 5 square plus modulus 1 square plus 8 square, which is equal to, again let us repeat, then take the calculator, simplify, square root of 1 square plus 5 square plus 1 square plus 8 square, which will be equal to square root of 91. Square root of 91. This is our norm W2. Next we have norm 2V plus W2, which is equal to square root of modulus 1 square plus modulus 3 square plus modulus 3 square plus 12 square. Done. Please be careful while applying modulus sign. Okay. See, square root 1 square plus 3 square plus 3 square plus 12 square. You get 163, square root of 163. Square root of 163. This completes our L2 norm. Next, L infinity norm. Third condition, L infinity norm. L infinity norm, it is very easy. L infinity norm, that is norm capital letter V infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus 0, comma modulus minus 1, comma 1, comma 2. Which is the highest? That is 2. Which is the maximum? That is 2. Next we have norm W infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus 1, modulus 5, modulus 1, modulus 8, which is equal to 8, which is the biggest number, that is 8, largest number or maximum number. Norm 2V plus W, norm infinity, maximum of modulus 1, modulus 3, modulus 3, modulus 12, which is equal to, the solution is 12. 2, 8, 12 is the L infinity norm of the given set of vectors. First, let us take a recap. Represent the given set of vectors V1, V2, V3, V4, W1, W2, W3, W4, and they have asked to find 2V plus W. Find 2V plus W. Then let us represent L1 norm, L infinity norm, and L2 norm. First, let us consider L1 norm. To represent L1 norm, we have considered first, that is V set of vectors. Norm V1, you get 4. Norm W1, you get 15. Norm 2V plus W1, which is equal to 90. Next comes L2 norm. L2 norm is applying square root and square for the given set of elements. Norm V2 will be equal to square root of 6. Norm W2 equal to square root of 91, and norm 2V plus W2 will be equal to square root of 163. Considering the given set of vectors, representing the square root and squaring the elements. That's it. Now when it comes to L infinity norm, considering V infinity will be equal to, which is the biggest or maximum number, that is 2, W infinity will be 8, and 2V plus W infinity will be equal to 12. I hope you have understood the vector norm step-by-step procedure to simplify the solution. One of the easiest concept to score 6 marks in the VTU main examination. I hope you have understood this problem. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.